Generally, personal computers are of two types: desktop computer and laptop. Let's see how does this computer looks like. This computer consists of some important parts. For example, this is the CPU. This is a monitor. This is a keyboard and this is a mouse. The CPU is the brain of the computer. The CPU edits and saves different images, videos and documents which we save on the computer. So where do we get to see this edited data? Of course, on this monitor. When we want to type something or insert numbers, this keyboard helps us to do so. And mouse helps us to access and open files on a computer. A mouse consists of 3 buttons: left click, right click and a scroll button which is in the middle. We will again see the brief on the above.